What's up, Gen Z Auto? Welcome back to another episode. And today we got something super duper special. But before we get into that, I want to shout out my friend Lister and his shop, his business. I actually call him the AMG Whisperer. When I first got this thing, it was not running good, and like within 10 minutes he figured it out. But I'll let Lister tell you guys a little bit about himself, and then I'll introduce Marcus.
So basically, I've been doing Mercedes-Benz my whole life, pretty much since I was 17 years old, and it's just been an ongoing passion of mine. And then I have this place now, which is a blessing in itself. And I like to spread my knowledge, and help who I can, and just do good by everybody.
So I'm Marcus, the mechanic. Make shit happen around here. He's just a face, but yeah, pretty much I just love working on stuff, learning new stuff. So this is just a new chapter in my life to learn something new cars, new things.
Yeah, absolutely. Bro, good people all day long. But if you need anything done in the upstate area, you got to check out L Enterprise. This is on
Old Augusta Road.
Old Augusta Road. You can't miss it.
It's 5101 Old Augusta Road.
Yeah, so this is like the first stage. So now that we got it out the way, introduce my brothers. Gabe, go ahead and pan over. Let them see a little bit of the work. So, yep, you guessed it. We just installed some freaking nasty ass downpipes to the Amg GTS, heat wrapped, in-house, and I haven't even started yet, and I'm pretty excited. But with downpipes and a simple tune, we can get 600 easily. So, yep. Let's go ahead and tighten everything up and then get that first cold start.
Basically, the purpose of removing these downpipes is to increase exhaust flow, and you want to get heat away from the engine as fast as possible. And basically, one of the main restrictions on pretty much all AMG models is you'll have, of course, catalytic converters. Here in South Carolina, we don't love trees that much, and so we tend to take these off quite often. And without all that restriction, that leaves you with the ability to tune it. That leaves you with the ability to, increase power. With also removing heat. And in order to actually take the pipes off, they come as one piece from the factory. The whole engine assembly is assembled on a cart, and then they raise the engine up into the car. So it's physically impossible to get these out without cutting them off. Somebody already removed the secondary catalytic converters prior to him, which is okay, I guess. But yeah, now that we have pretty much a straight pipe all the way through, we should be able to safely run a tune, maybe some meth injection in the future, and make a little bit more power.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
More power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby. More power.
Oh my God, so much heat.
So much fire. Fire, boom, boom, Yeah, just wrap the new ones while we wait. Fuck yeah, bro. That shit's gonna be like 150 degrees.
So, yo, Marcus, tell Gen Z Auto what you're about to do with this heat wrap.
Well, basically what we're trying to do is keep most of the heat out of the engine bay. So we're going to wrap the downpipes in this, which is like some sort of a glass fiber material, I guess. You got to wear gloves when you put it on because it makes you itch. A little trick not many people know: make it easier to wrap these. You wet the wrap before you put it on. And it helps to stretch a little better, and that way when it warms up, it shrinks onto the downpipe and makes itself tight.
Learn something new every day. And also, Lister said that it keeps the heat away from the engine and the engine bay, like Marcus said. So, more power, baby. More power. Lindsay Auto fan. We got more power, baby.
More power,
This thing
baby.
is insane. Like the sound, the crazy part is it has so much traction to be a rear-wheel drive car. Like, just like I said in the intro video for this car, it has that trans-axle setup, so the transmission in the rear, and I really think that helps. It's along with the dampening and spring rates, that really helps this car get a lot of grip. So, I mean, it pulls hard, it sounds good, and I mean, I can't wait to do more modifications. So, and make sure you guys stay tuned. Thanks for joining. My first impressions is I love it, and I can't wait to do more. But make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Anybody you know with a GT or any of our other cars that we had on the channel, share the video with them and let them know that we're going to do more stuff. So, all right, peace.